Blue? Blue. Come on. Answer me. I've got no visibility out here. Visibility's gone. But I swear, I saw your tracks. Yeah, right there. Those are yours. You really wandered out this far, huh? Damn it. Why didn't you wait for me? The radio went out 20 minutes ago. Frost building on the antenna. No chance for a signal now. But I'm not leaving you out here. Not a chance. Wait. What is that? Blue? Oh no. No. Hey. Look at me. Hey, come on. Wake up. Shit. You're freezing. Your lips are blue. Damn. You've been out here too long. Okay, come on, here. Take this. Just hold on, okay? Hold on. There we go. Breathe for me. That's it. Come on, sweetheart. Don't do this now. You're not allowed to check out on me, okay? Come on. I've got you. We're gonna move slow, okay? I know it hurts. I know. But you've gotta stay with me, okay? Keep your eyes on me. You really scared me, you know? You say you can handle the cold. But this isn't just cold, Blue. This is killing weather. You've got ice on your eyelashes. You look like you fell asleep out here. I told you before, when storms like this roll around, they don't play fair. You stop for 1 second, and the snow just covers you. Like it's trying to keep you. You hear that? That's the wind dying down a bit. Means we're close to the ridge. Cabin's not too far away. Just hang on. Hang in there, okay? Talk to me. Please. Say something. Anything. Tell me I still make terrible coffee in the mornings. Or that I snore. Or that you hate that stupid beanie I wear. Just don't. Don't go quiet on me like that. Alright. Fine. I'll talk for both of us, okay? You remember the first snow we had together. You were so excited. You ran outside in your socks. You spun around like a little kid. Said it looked like the world finally shut up long enough to listen. You said snow makes everything softer. Even pain. That's exactly why I'm not letting you disappear into it. Okay. Alright. Almost there. Cabin. Down the ridge. You're gonna be okay. Just breathe. Come on. There it is. Light in the window. You see that? That's home. That's ours. Okay, alright. We're safe. We made it. I'm gonna get the fire hotter, okay? You just stay right there. No arguments. Okay, we're gonna warm you up. I know it burns at first. Frostbite always does that when it starts to thaw. I need you to fight it, alright? You fought through worse. Hey. Hey. There you are. Eyes open. There's my brave little sweetheart. That's it. Focus on me. You scared the hell out of me. Do you have any idea how long I've been out there yelling your name? Thought the wind swallowed you whole. I should have known better. You're too stubborn to let a storm win. You're shaking. Good. That means your body's fighting. You'll warm up. And then we'll get some tea in you. Yeah? Maybe cocoa if I didn't finish all of it last week. You're gonna sleep in a bit. But not yet, okay? Stay awake for me for a few more minutes. I want to make sure you're still here. You know, I kept thinking about all the things I didn't say. Like how every time you walk into a room, it feels like the cold breaks. Or how I'd follow you anywhere, apparently even into a blizzard. Guess you really do have me wrapped around your finger. Hey. There's that smile. Tiny but I saw it. It's the one. You're okay, Blue. You're safe. I've got you. The storm's slowing down. We'll be snowed until morning. But I don't mind. Means I get to keep you close a little longer. Next time you feel like wandering off to chase the aurora, you wake me first, alright? We'll chase it together. You're not alone anymore. Not out there. Not ever. Now close your eyes. Let the warmth do its job. You made it home. Welcome back, Blue. Hi everyone, and thank you for listening to today's audio. If you think there's something up with my voice right now, yes, I am getting sick. That is the major elephant in the room. Yeah, I'm getting really sick again. But yeah, anyway, thank you to my channel members, Alila DE. The stupid list scrolled back up again. Sin, Astrid Lenzer, Riverwood, Wolfrider26, Amazi Michaela, Kidda29, Mel Star, Psychona, Tori Hills, Angie, The Poetry Cooker Video, AJN, Amanda Gabriella, Haya, Ardent Melody Audios, Red Raccoon, Reed, Anonymous, Grace Roberts, Layla, Andy Estrada, Ruby Blue 0910, Thunder, Zayadan Gabriella Knuckles. There we go. I don't know why I struggled with Isabella Matter, I don't know. Marley's, Asia, Vutaja Karnik, and Jenny193. And if I mispronounce any of your guys' name, I am so sorry. You guys just have hard names, and I also just suck at pronunciation. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care. Don't be sick, guys, because the weather is starting to drop down in temperature. It's 9 degrees Celsius outside, more like 14 degrees Fahrenheit for us. But if you're here in the land of the freedom, home of the Whopper, yeah. But yeah, okay, that's enough for me. All right, good night, everybody.